Prepare now to make 2024 your best year ever. Learn skill sets that support what you're currently doing, such as how to do the following. 1. Use technology to connect with client and customers in a way that converts them into raving fans. 2. Drive traffic, leads, and sales to your business, products, or services. 3. Build multiple faceless brands on social media to grow your business. 4. Grow your following and monetize your products or services on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. 5. Start or grow a digital marketing agency. Thank you for watching. Reply info for details.